UN climate change report predicting a rise in average global temperatures by 1.5 degrees Celsius in the next 2 decades is code red for humanity, UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said. This report must sound a death knell for coal, fossil fuels before they destroy Earth, said Guterres. The past decade was hotter than any period in the last 125,000 years, United Nations said. Increased heat waves and droughts, erratic rainfall events, and more cyclonic activity are likely to occur across India and the subcontinent over the next few decades, a new report by United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change states. Most of these impacts are irreversible and hence cannot be remediated even if greenhouse gas emissions decline dramatically, IPCC added. The Lok Sabha today passed 3 bills without discussion amid an uproar in the House by the opposition. The 3 bills are the Limited Liability Partnership Amendment Bill 2021, the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Amendment Bill 2021, and the Constitution Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill 2021. Later, the Lok Sabha was adjourned till 2 p.m. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today released the 9th installment of financial benefit under Prime Minister Kisan Scheme. About 19,500 crore was transferred to over 9.75 crore farmers. Under the scheme, an annual beneficial benefit of Rs 6,000 is provided to eligible beneficiary farmer families. This amount will help the small farmers a lot, he said, while virtually interacting with the beneficiaries. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi today. The Assam Chief Minister's visit to the national capital comes in the backdrop of the signing of the joint statement between the ministers of Assam and Mizoram over the interstate border issue. Assam Chief Minister Sarma and Union Home Minister Amit Shah is expected to discuss in length the interstate border dispute between the two states. Indonesia's Mount Merapi volcano on Java Island erupted on Sunday, spewing hot ash 1 kilometer into the sky. Ash from the eruption blanketed several villages and nearby towns, an official said. Indonesia's Geology and Volcanology Research Agency said that the villagers living on Merapi's fertile slopes were advised to stay 5 kilometers away from the crater's mouth. India's Olympic contingent, including history-making javelin throw gold medalist Neeraj Chopra, returned to the country today and was received enthusiastically by Sports Authority of India delegation headed by its Director General Sandeep Pradhan. Athletics Federation of India head Adil Sumariwala also accompanied him. The athletes were garlanded and presented with bouquets on arrival and were applauded by a huge presence of supporters and media personnel.